This week's challenge is to substitute either a sparkling water or just water in place of a sugar-sweetened beverage.
Yeah, so lots of options for this one. We've got lots of recipes for different mocktails that include sparkling waters, which are kind of fun. If you don't like sparkling water, you could always just add like fruit or herbs like mint or basil to
Chia seeds and
chia
fun.
seeds, yeah. To plain water just to dress it up a little bit, or you can go for something super simple and go for a sparkling water.
So tons of different sparkling water options now. So we're gonna try a couple of them. One of my new favorites is bubbly. So bubbly comes in lots of different flavors, and this is an apple is the flavor on this one.
Yes. And I'm trying an Ice Mountain. This is an orange flavor.
So refreshing, not very sweet. So just slightly some flavor, not sweet, but also very hydrating.
I love that.
And the next one I'm going to try is Dasani. Makes a raspberry lemonade flavor.
And I'm trying LaCroix, the blackberry cucumber. And spoiler alert, this is my actual favorite, so I already know I'm going to like this.
This one has a lot of that raspberry lemonade flavor, but again, lacks that sweetness, but definitely something that you can get used to too.
Yes, it really just gives kind of the essence or flavor without adding too much sugar.
Yeah.
Well, good luck and have fun, and we'll see you next week.
Cheers.